Hello sir, good morning. My name is Sumit Sanjay Ghate. I am the DSY student. The topic which I get for the project is that Burden tube for the measurement of the piston pump pressure. Now first we discuss about the what is the Burden tube. The Burden tube is the pressure measurement gauge which have the structure like the same. When the pressure is inserted under the Burden tube, its shape is get changed. From that we get the readings. The pointer is connected at the edge of the Burden tube. When the shape of the Burden tube is get changed, then the pointer is give the reading on the calibration scale. Now the we have the question arise: can we use the Burden tube for the measurement of the piston pressure? The answer is yes. We can use the Burden tube for the measurement of the piston pump pressure. Now we are going to discuss about the other methods that can be used for the measurement of the pressure of the piston pump, but they are rejected due to some reasons. The first sensor is the ultrasonic sensor. We can use it for the measurement of the pressure of the piston tube, but it is get rejected due to its limited accuracy of the fluids, and it is very difficult to the installation. And the second sensor is the strain gauge based sensor. The sensor is get rejected due to its have the temperature sensitivity is very less. So such type of the sensors are get rejected due to their some reasons. Hence Burden tube is a very perfect options for the measurement of the pressure of the piston tube. Now I am going to discuss about the some advantages of the Burden tube. That is the Burden tube is very accurate reading, and the construction of the Burden tube is very simple. The Burden tube can be installed very quickly, and it can be installed by anyone. There is no moving part in the Burden tube, and the Burden tube is also cost effective. The Burden tubes have the high response time, and the maintenance which is required for the Burden tube is very less. So the Burden tube for the measurement of the pressure of the piston pump is a very good choice. We can suggest it to industry. And now there are some disadvantage for this type of the measurement is that the piston tube produces the vibration and the shock during its operation. The Burden tube should handle this vibration and the shock. There are the various fluctuation produced in the output of the piston pump, so the Burden tube can carry this fluctuation and give the appropriate reading. This is the major challenge for the Burden tube. In this way, I explained my project about the Burden tube is used for the measurement of the pressure of the piston pump. Thank you very much, sir.